Having been able to observe one of the teachers' regular English class along with her AP class, I was able to see two different class management styles. One class requires her to be more attentive than the other. It is clear that a teacher must be able to adjust and act accordingly in response to the students. And so that's what I basically wrote about here. And the way her most effective management tactic is speaking to her students as adults and positively. This works for both her English and AP course. Even though one class, her regular English, tends to be a little bit more distractive and more disruptive than her AP course, this is how she treats her students in both classes regardless, and the students seem to respond well to that. And then here in the most memorable teacher, I learned that the attitude of the teacher really affects the student's opinion toward the class and subject. Like I mentioned in my most memorable teacher assignment, my senior year English teacher is the one who pushed me toward becoming an English teacher. He found ways to make the class fun, and he was always very welcoming of everyone. I hope to be like him and let my students share the same experience.